in this awarding of a great honour to partnership throughout the years. So thank you very much.
Of film in this part of the world. Great honour to be here. Great delight in this part of this wonderful festival. It's been so welcoming and warming.
I naš ovogodišnji dobitnik je veliki irski glumac Stephen Ray, pravi naslednik Petera O'Toola i Richarda Harrisa.
Big smile now.
So Jerzy Bosak. You have also here Hitchcock was here. Trevor Howe. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
you very much.
Na sve strane, stalno nešto novo, ali sve ovo staro ostaje. I ovdje se treba sad.